Hi, welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. So today we are going to discuss what is AWS tutorial. So today's topic is what is KMS key. So KMS key is full form as Key Management System. So AWS Key Management System is a management service that enables to create, control, and manage encryption key used to secure your data. It protects encryption for various AWS services and provides centralized key management integrates with AWS Identity and Access Management IAM and ensure compliance with security standard and policies. So basically, when you're talking as KMS, that is key management system, it's like an encryption and decryption, readable format to unreadable and unreadable format to readable to secure your data and everything. As you already know, when you upload some of the objects inside the S3 bucket, automatically a key will be generated. That is, key is created by the provider itself. So to ensure whether it's protected or not, you can also create a particular KMS key with the help of KMS, that is Key Management System. So with the help of that KMS key, your data or your objects will be protected. Okay, and also it will be centralized key. It is used as a centralized key that is given by the AWS provider also. So there are two types of key that is created by provider or either you can create a key also. So let's move on to demo so you'll get a more clarification regarding that. So I'll search for the S3 bucket. So you can see S3 bucket is over here itself. So when you search for the S3 bucket, you can see number of buckets. So right now I'm not going to use these buckets. I'll create a new bucket. So I'll click on create bucket and I'll give S3 KMS key bucket and random number. So after that, when you go down and when you click on create bucket, a bucket will be created. So inside this bucket, I'm going to create a particular or I'm going to upload some of the objects inside this. Okay. So when you open that bucket, you can see upload option is given. So when you click on upload, you can see add files or folders. So I'll click on add files. So I'll add a random pictures or anything. So I'll add one picture and I'll click on upload. So when you upload, and automatically a key will be generated. That is, a provider will be created that particular key. Okay. To see that, we'll go back to the object. So when you go to the object, you can see, when you go down, you can see key is created. So if you want to protect your data and everything from with the help of KMS key, that is key management system, we can also create a key management system with the help of KMS and you can easily attach that KMS inside this S3 also. To do that, what you have to do is we'll search for the KMS. So when you search for the KMS, you can see Key Management Service. So when you click on Key Management Service, you can see Create Key option is there. So when you click on Create Key, you can see Symmetric and Asymmetric. Symmetric means one key, a single key will be created. Asymmetric means it will create more than one. That means public or a private key, that is two keys. And also the key should be always encrypt to decrypt. That means unreadable to readable format. Then only it will be ensuring whether it's protected or not. So after selecting these things and everything, I'll click towards the next option. So they're asking for the particular key name. So I'm giving KMS key 1 as a name. So after giving these name and everything, I'll click towards the next. So they're asking for the key administrator and everything. So if you want to give any particular users and everything, you can easily give that users permission and everything. So I'm not giving any permission. So I'll click on next, same next, next, and I'll try to create it. So right now I've created a particular KMS key. So this key should be attached inside where? Inside my S3 bucket. To attach that, what I'm going to do is I'll go back to my S3 bucket. So when you go back to the S3 bucket, you can see there is a bucket called KMS key bucket, right? So I'll open this S3 KMS key. And when you go to the properties, you can see default encryption. So default encryption now, right now it is enabled, right? So right now I just want to change the right now I just want to change the default key and everything. To do that, I'll click towards the edit option. So you can see server-side encryption with AWS Key Managed Service that is managed by AWS itself, Amazon itself. And server-side encryption with AWS Key Management Service that is SSE KMS that is managed by us. Or dual layer side encryption AWS Key Management Service Key. Okay, so right now I'll give an option called server-side encryption that is created for us. So when you click on server-side encryption, you can see AWS key over here. So when you click that option, you can see there are AWS key. That is, choose from your AWS key is there, enter AWS key is there. So already we have created. So when you click choose AWS key, and when you try to refresh from here, you can see created keys and everything will be showing here. So I have created a key called KMS key 1. So I'm going to attach it. So after attaching these keys and everything, I'll go down and I'll click on Save Change. So when you click on Save Change and everything, and when you go down again, you can see Encryption Key ARN. So a particular key has been created and that key has been generated or attached to that particular S3 object and everything. So this is how you attach a particular KMS key inside the S3 bucket. So I think also you like this channel and everything and you like the content today's. So if you like your channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And for more information, contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.